Hey lovelies, hope you're fine. Happy New Year. So today we are making a wet pork fry, and for the fresh ingredients you're going to use carrots, tomatoes, red onions, fresh coriander leaves, spring onions, the green part and the white part, garlic, green pepper, paprika, mixed curry powder, ginger powder, black pepper and salt. So this is like 750 grams of pork washed. So I'm just going to add it to the pan. Don't add oil because pork has fats. As you can see, my meat has a little bit of fat. It will be able to produce some oil which can fry the pork. Season it with some salt and pepper and then fry it until it's brown. That's the golden brown color that I want. Just continue to fry it. Then add the onions to the pan. They give off a very nice flavor and a very good aroma to food, especially meats, stews, sauces and soups. So I'm going to fry them until they lose color, and then I'll just add in the garlic, and after giving us that nice aroma, then add the rest of the fresh ingredients apart from the tomatoes. So pork is a very nice meat. That is, for the people who eat it, it's very tasty and it takes a very short time to cook. And you can eat it like in so many ways, so many different ways. So this is a very simple recipe that you can try out at home, that you can try out in a few minutes, because as you know, it is a soft meat, so it's going to take a short time to cook. Just give it the right flavors, the right amount of salt and spices, and you'll have yourself a very nice dish. So I just added in my tomatoes. I'm going to cook them until they're very soft, and then I'll add in the rest of the things. For those of you who love your food hot, you're free to add in your chili, you're free to add in your scotch bonnet. But as for me, I'm not having any chili today, and I'm cooking for kids as well, so we just added in very little black pepper just for the flavor. So something happened to me today. While I was shooting the video, I thought that I had some clips, and there's a clip where I added soy sauce. I used light soy sauce. I don't see the clip anywhere in my gallery, and there's a clip where I added that is salt that I'm adding. So the soy sauce came after the salt, and then stock. I added in some little stock to make that sauce. So I don't have those clips, and I'm sorry, but I have mentioned it, and I'm also going to mention it in the description box. So just let it simmer on low heat, and then add in your spring onions and coriander leaves, and just let it simmer on low heat so that it gives us that thick gravy. And of course, whenever sauces simmer, they have a very nice taste to them. So this is the dish, and my apologies for the clips that are not here. Thank you guys for watching. I love you, and don't forget to comment, like and subscribe to my kitchen by Nana. Happy New Year once again. Let me go have some lunch.